Hey everybody, so to take off the throttle body from a 2016 Chevy Malibu, you're going to take this cover off. This cover is going to cover up the engine. That hole there to the left, that's where the oil cover goes. You need some Torx bits right there to take those bolts out. And then I put the oil cover right back on. I think the 4 bolts around the throttle body are 8 to 10 millimeter. I forget. You're going to take this off as well to loosen up that cover so that you have space to wiggle. And there's a bolt right here. You have to remove that. And then you can lift this second cover off that actually goes to the air cleaner. There's the throttle body. You're going to have to move a couple of hoses out of the way. You don't have to remove that top cover all the way. Just take that bolt out and it loosens it up so that you can maneuver around it. And like I said, you're going to unscrew that and lift it off. And then there's another connector that you have to watch out for, which is right here. And what you do with that is there's a little, there you go, right there, that little pin right there. Take that back so that it loosens up, and then you can lift the cover off. You see how that fits in there? You have to take that off as well. Then it makes it fairly easy to get to the throttle body, and you may have to take it off to clean it, or you have performance issues or something like that. You can take the throttle body off with take the 4 bolts out, lift it out. There it is. There's also an electrical connector you have to lift off too as well. And you're going to spray it with throttle body cleaner, clean it out. See, that's the underside. It wasn't terribly dirty, but I did wind up cleaning it up because it was somewhat dirty. But this is how you take them off. If you ever need to take it off, just spray it, wipe it off. The throttle body cleaner is good to get rid of the buildup, the carbon buildup. And you get your clean rag, you wipe it out. And that was pretty much it. It wasn't very complicated. Just had to make sure you remove the proper things to get everything out of your way. And it was a done deal. So if you ever have to do that, this is how you do it. Thanks for watching. God bless.